Hi friends, welcome in this online class of Jijav Jnana Tirth Vidyalay, Pathri Road, Parbhani. Friends, today we have to see the General Science of Standard 6. In that we have seen the information in the last lecture about the chapter 4th, disaster management. In this chapter we have seen the information by picture of flood, storm, forest fire, after that earthquake. All these topics we have studied in the last lecture. See friends, today we have to see the information about how and why the following disaster occur. Okay, in that topic we have to see here. Flood is occur due to a heavy rain. After that, an earthquake, lightning, a volcanic eruption. Earthquake is occurred due to the internal movement of the earth. Lightning, there is a friction between two clouds. Or volcanic eruption, volcano comes out of the earth from the weaker surface. Forest fire, there is a friction between two plants and from that friction fire is formed, and that is immediately taken by the grass and leaves of that plant. After that, increased risk due to high density of population in a limited area. Okay, rampant and irregular construction. After that, ecological imbalance, terrorism, riots and crimes resulting in bomb explosion, assaults, fire and accident, etc. Okay, disaster are of two main kinds of. First is the man-made and second one is the natural disaster. Okay, in that we have to see the next disaster, that is earthquake. You can observe one picture of is happen because of the earthquake. See, earthquake movements in the interior of the earth release tremendous amount of energy. These cause seismic waves leading to movements of earth surface like tremors, shaking, cracking up, etc. See, the earthquake is occurred due to movement in the interior of the earth, and in that movement there is a tremendous amount of energy is released by the earth. This cause seismic waves leading to movement of earth surface like tremors, shaking, cracking up, etc. Such vibrations on quaking in the earth's crust is known as an earthquake. It is okay. Next, such vibrations or quaking in the earth's crust is known as an earthquake. It is believed that beside other causes, man-made causes like mining and constructions of big dams can also lead to earthquakes. See, in the diagram, there is a effect of earthquake we can observe on the present diagram on the screen. Okay, next. The effects of earthquake in that destruction of infrastructure, that is building, bridge, road, railway track, etc. There is a lot of destruction because of the earthquake. Second effect, change in the direction of the flow of a river. Next, huge loss of life and property. In that disaster, there is a loss of life and property is very dangerous. So, if we can take precaution, so we can minimize the loss of life also. Okay, loss of the property, that is not in our hand, but we can save the number of lives. Okay, next disaster is flood. A frequently occurring natural disaster in all parts of the world is a flood. Due to excessive rain in the same place, a river overflow its bank causing a flood. See, in this 2020 also there is lot of rain we have observed. That is frequently occurring natural disaster in all parts of the world is flood, and this condition we observed in year 2020 also. Due to excessive rain in some places, a river overflows its bank cause a flood, and that overflowed water comes in the village and farms that is on the bank of the river. The water drainage system in big cities falls short when there is a heavy rainfall, resulting in choking of gutter and drainage lines. Water overflow on the roads and surrounding areas and even enter nearby houses. See, and because of that there is a destruction or the life at such place is disturbed. Effect of flood: huge loss of life and property, soil erosion, destruction of standing crops. After effects of flood like spread of diseases and epidemics affecting the health of the people. See, these are the effects of the flood. So friends, the next information we have to see in the next lecture. So we will stop here. Okay, thank you.